Hello parents, and I'm Miss Bay from Dunbar's fabulous first grade, and I'm here to bring you our December virtual curriculum nights. The first thing I want you to know about is Class Dojo. Class Dojo is the way that we give kids behavior points, and it's also a way for us to communicate with you. So if you have not signed up for Class Dojo, make sure that you do it right away. You can get your child's login from his classroom teacher. Also, we're planning an end-of-the-year trip to Dollywood. The cost of the trip is $125. You can make payments in the main office. And we will be sending home a holiday packet for your children to work on. And in the packet, you will have passwords for the different websites that we have, such as Accelerator Reader in Math, Smarty Ants, and Reading A to Z. And the children all know how to use these websites, and their passwords will be right here, so you can also go on and check on what your child is doing. In the packet, we will also have I Read 20 minutes, and on this activity, a child can read every night and find a different way to read, such as read with a parent, read with a pet, read in bed. So this way it'll be fun for the child, and then they can cross off which ways they read. We'll also have choice boards for the children to do, and they can pick and choose what they want to do and practice different skills that they have already learned in class. And a skill that I want to share with you is number bonds. And in number bonds, you have your sum at the top, and then you have your two add-ins. And the child is to figure out what number is missing. So what number would go here that I could add to the number 2 and get the sum of 3? And do you know the answer? It's 1. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. On this one, we're missing an add-in. So we'll think, what number plus 1 can I add and get the number 10? And the answer is 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And I can figure this out different ways. I could count on my fingers. I can count in my head. I could put number 1 in my head and count up to 10. And the children are practicing adding up to 20. So this is a skill you can work on at home. And you can make these number bonds with index cards or sheets of paper. And it's real easy to do. And you can practice the skill over and over with your child. Another thing that we do in class is studentizing. And with this, we have 5 on the top row and we have 3 on the bottom row. And the children are to automatically know how much it is. So they're thinking in their head, 5 plus 3 equals 8. And we go really fast with these cards because we want them to be able to count, not one at a time, but be able to count in their head. So we move really fast, and sometimes we'll ask, what's one more? What's one less? So we move really fast and quickly with the card, just like that. And this is standard 10A1, which is adding and subtracting up to 20. So practice this skill at home over the winter break. On behalf of the Dunbar Fabulous First Grade, thank you for viewing.